So I'm Matt, and we're inside a 2017 Tacoma, and we're taking a look at our headrest first aid kit. So basically what this comes with is a headrest panel and a small first aid kit bag. And you can peel this off because it Velcros on. Boom, I can peel it off. Headrest panel, 500 denier Cordura, hook and loop fabric. It's got a nice little retainer here that stays all pretty clean. Doesn't interfere with the driver or passenger side. Doesn't interfere with your passengers in the back because this is kind of wasted space. And it's got this great little first aid kit. Opens up. It's got a couple of pouches in the back so you can put some stuff in it. It's got a little piece of elastic here so you can put some things behind it. This center pouch actually comes out, so it's actually removable. I can pull it out, so if I want to leave part of the kit behind, keep some main pieces in here. It's got a little Velcro panel in the back, so if I want to add something to that, I can actually add on something. But zips up. You can throw this in your bag or just throw the small piece in your bag and strap to the headrest, and bam, all your first aid kit stuff's organized. And you can find this at bluedoverlandgear.com.